6 humanoid robots, 3 on each team, no human operators, no remotes, just artificial intelligence calling every shot. This was the scene in Beijing, China's first fully autonomous robot soccer match. And it's more than just a cool headline, it's a signal, one the world should be paying attention to. In June 2025, China hosted its first 3-on-3 autonomous humanoid robot soccer match. The event featured bipedal robots developed by university teams, including the prestigious Tsinghua University. No joystick, no teleoperation, just machine vision, real-time AI decision-making, and motor control, in a live match. Each robot interpreted its environment using sensors and optical cameras, planned its moves, passed to teammates, and adapted dynamically just like a real player, minus the sweat. Let's be clear, robot football isn't new. RoboCup has been around for decades, but here's the difference. This match focused on humanoid robots, not wheeled or quadruped ones, and the entire match was fully autonomous. This shows that China isn't just developing robots, it's building embodied AI systems machines that can perceive, reason, and act in unpredictable real-world environments. In robotics, that's the true test. Globally, the race is heating up. The US leads in commercial humanoids, with Tesla's Optimus, Figure AI's Zero One, and Boston Dynamics Atlas leading the charge in mobility and manipulation. Japan and South Korea still dominate in engineering and user interaction design. Europe's research institutions, like ETH Zurich and DFKI, focus on safety, robotics ethics, and industrial-grade software. But China is rapidly combining hardware, AI, and public spectacle. This football match was more than a demo, it was a statement. Robot soccer is fun to watch, but it's not the end goal. It's a controlled environment to test some of the hardest problems in robotics: multi-agent coordination, decision-making under pressure, and locomotion. If robots can play football in real time, they can one day operate in warehouses, perform surgery, or assist in disaster zones. This is training ground, not the finish line. What we're witnessing is China's growing edge in public robotics R&D. While private companies elsewhere iterate behind closed doors, China is putting its humanoid AI on display, in front of universities, industry, and the world. And it's not just robotics. The nation's massive investments in AI research, semiconductor independence, and next-gen automation signal a much broader ambition. If you want to understand why China is making these moves, and how it's quietly challenging Silicon Valley in AI and robotics, there's one book we strongly recommend: AI Superpowers: China, Silicon Valley, and the New World Order. Written by Kai-Fu Lee, a former Google China executive and AI pioneer, this book explores how China's tech model is evolving, and why the future of AI may not be led by just one superpower. Check the description for the link. Whether you're a student, researcher, or just curious about what's next, this book is essential reading. Robot football may look like a novelty, but it's a glimpse into something much bigger: the merging of intelligence, hardware, and autonomy. China has made its move. The rest of the world is watching, and the game? It's just beginning. Subscribe to TechInsight Daily for daily insights.
Stay connected, tech enthusiasts, in this ever-evolving world of technology.